Gosh, it was a cool start out there today.
Yep. Yep.
And it's just the beginning?
This is kind of where we're at. Yeah, I mean,
That's where we are, yeah.
The sun, though, helps. We did have a lot of sun. We have some showers to our west, so we'll see a couple of those come through. And that's a whole other ballgame. To me, like, the sun is everything this time of the year because you start crunching those days a little and all that.
Yeah, I mean, it's dark in the morning when I'm getting up. It's dark at night when I'm driving home. So, that's where we are.
So we need the maximum available daylight when we can get it. We'll be kind of in between over the weekend. There'll be some clouds around. But today we did pretty well along the coastline in the mid-50s, upper 50s in Sanford, and Buxton sitting at 58 degrees as well. Similar temperature profile here across down East Maine and northern Maine, Clayton Lake at 50, Fort Kent 55. Talked yesterday about some shower chances popping up across central New Hampshire and into western Maine, and that's what's going on right now. These look worse than they are, I think, as far as their intensity. There'll be some showers and sprinkles coming through, but it's likely that none of these are really all that heavy as they come through. But they'll be from west to east, and it looks like, according to the small scale models, that even as the sun sets, we still see showers hanging together. Sometimes they fall apart right when the sun sets. That's not the case, though, tonight. So here we are at 8 o'clock, some showers still around, moving eastward through the late evening, early morning hours on Saturday. And those showers still around early over down East Maine, perhaps even when people are waking up here on Saturday morning. Saturday overall, though, is a mixture of sun and clouds. It'll be dry for the vast majority of the state, but it's not that warm. It's sitting in the low 50s for most of us, which is below average for this time of the year. I tend to think the mountains mostly stay in the 40s, as we just talked about. A few spots in the foothills, maybe 50 flat or so. So not a bad day. More clouds in the afternoon, more sun in the morning, but cooler still on Sunday with a lot of clouds around through the morning and through the afternoon. And so some of us will be in the 40s for highs on Sunday and an isolated shower, even a snow flurry perhaps in the mountains as temperatures there are in the 30s. So it will be very cool the second half of the weekend. Kind of funky after that. Monday I kept us dry. We have mostly dry conditions. And then Tuesday there's some showers offshore, but it's mostly cloudy. It gets really interesting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because the models had come together on a solution on this this morning, and now they've gone apart again. And so what we have is a European model giving us a storm on Thursday night that has pretty intense rainfall and some wind, the GFS having no version of this whatsoever. I still lean towards the Euro, although I'll tell you this particular solution doesn't really make sense. It's connected to a tropical system way to the south, and it's not really how weather works, so we'll keep an eye on that. I still have a storm around. My sense is it would be out of here in time for Halloween, especially like actual Halloween time. But the way the models are working right now, we'll have to just keep watching that, unfortunately. And yeah, in between, 50-ish. I mean, it's not going to be that warm. The one thing that helps us a little bit is a little bit cloudier next week, which keeps temperatures from being, they could be in the 20s overnight, but the clouds help insulate us a little bit there.
Okay.
So that's the trade-off. But man, yeah, I'm glad it's not winter because the models are doing very, very weird things. Like
we'd be in trouble if these were snowstorms we're talking about.
Yeah, it'd be the equivalent of a 2-foot snowstorm and nothing. Like that's what's going on in the rain department right now. So hopefully this a little bit more coming together soon. That'd be great.
Okay.
More helpful for you.
Yeah.
Keith, thanks.